Hi everybody, my name is Sophia. I am conducting a research masters at Maynooth University. It's a collaborative project with Kildare County Council, but also includes Trinity College Dublin, Teagasc and the National Biodiversity Data Centre. The purpose of the project is to investigate environmentally sustainable biodiversity promoting management plans of open public spaces. And this has basically come about due to biodiversity loss, climate change and pollution, but also to public perceptions. In 2020, a survey was conducted by Kildare County Council, and it showed that 98% of the public voted for more environmentally friendly maintenance methods. And then a follow-up survey showed that 95% actually wanted to use trimming instead of herbicide, and they also wanted to see more layered and long flowering meadows than permanently cut. So the project has two aspects. One is to investigate alternative methods to chemical herbicides, and the second is to develop biodiversity promoting management plans for all of these open public spaces within Kildare. So far all of the sites have been surveyed for habitats and pollinators, and the data has been inputted, and then the next step is to map all the sites and conduct research into the best ways to approach the two aims and objectives of this project.